Hi family, this is Dr. Perry, and I want to show you how you can actually join my agency for easy growth and for expansion of the empire and for solidarity's sake. So now what you do is you open Poppo, and then when you happen to see the profiles of people who've gone live or those who are those who are hosting the parties, what it is when you see this, it means that the active tab is the one which is sitting in the bottom left. So you have to highlight the one which is at the far end of your right in the bottom. That's your profile tab. Okay, so now when you click it, you will actually face this profile. So you read through whatever you think that is reward, rank, game, store, invite, medal, fans, auth. Now just right below the official announcement, whatever, there is somewhere where it says my agency. Okay, so when you click there, of course you will see the boxes where you need to punch in the agency number. So when you click there, I want you to type in the so right here, enter agents, whatever. So now I want you to type in the ID that you're seeing there, Elisha Hardboard ID 7727300. When you're done with that, well, then we'll be good to go. We'll have